Hello, welcome, happy Monday. Let me show you how to perform a quick top-down analysis and how to come up with a trading scenario. We are here on the Kiwi Swiss. Let's start with the daily time frame. So let me blow this up. And what you want to first do is draw support and resistance levels that are close to the current price. So you can see the price is here. We don't need to worry what has happened here at the top. We don't need to worry what has happened at the bottom for now. We only want to see what is close to current price. And obviously here is an important area that has been used in the past. So those highs, they have some confluence here. Here at the bottom of this current range, there seems to be a level not too strong here in the past. And if we look back, yes, there has been a little bit of a supply here, but not too strong. So at least we have those two above and below current price. Then let's take one look further, the next level above and below. Here, not a super strong level, so we have some confluence here, no confluence here, no confluence, a little bit here, here a little bit. So let's see how it looks on the lower time frames, but that's the next underneath, and then we have the final level for underneath current price here. Above current price, we do seem to have some level here. You can see that the highs are here. We find some confluence in this area here, here, here as well. So that seems to be a good level. And then, yeah, just for the sake of completion, we could draw it here, but that's not really that important. It's too far away for now. Let's go down to the 4 hour and fine tune and also draw different levels. So that's how it looks on the 4 hour time frame. Looks quite good. We'll probably adjust this a little bit higher so that we also catch the highs. Here, this one is not a super important level the way it looks like. There seems to be a zone here in this level. So from here to here, but here is really, this is a supply area. So I really want to see this on my charts. Why is this a supply area? Because something caused the price to drop significantly from this area. So there was a small range here, you can see that. Past range behavior then led to a sudden and strong sell-off. So this is really a level that you should have on your charts. Let me just write it down for you, if I can. So that's how you mark up then your charts. Supply. I can make it black, it's maybe a little bit nicer. So here is obviously a supply area. And if the market dips into this one, you can expect a little bit of a sell-off again. The next supply area seems to be here in this area, which is just below the top. And that often happens that just below the top or above the bottom, you find another supply. So we have two supplies. And that's also the reason why you never put your price alert or your order right at a level. You always put it a little bit ahead or in front of that. Alright, to the downside, that looks good. This level seems alright. We have some confluence here. This one is not too helpful, to be honest. So we can move this here. We need to be aware of whatever has happened here. It's a demand area, so very similar to here as the downtrend. Here seems to be the origin of this uptrending move. So this is a demand area. We need to be aware of this one as well on the way down. So okay, that looks good. And let's go down to the execution time frame. So here we are. What is price doing right now? We are stuck in a range. And there's really not too much to do right now because as long as the market is bouncing back and forth between the support and the resistance, yeah, the market is in a neutral zone, in a neutral phase, and the market participants, they haven't made up their mind what they want. There's no side that is stronger than the other, and you need to avoid such periods because you always want to avoid, or you always want to trade a market where one side is stronger than the other, because that leads to trending moves. So to the upside, we are looking for a breakout here, 675. To the downside, we are looking for a breakout below here, and then we can trade it from level to level. So this is how we would use that information. And then if we hit the supply, that's the question of what is going to happen. Are we going to find a resistance level and trade it lower, or will we be able to do it next? Depends a lot on how strong the breakout will be at this point, and how we trade into the level. That's important criteria. But that's how you would use such information. You can draw tips, you can use moving averages, whatever suits your trading style. But that's how I would approach this market. Right now, I would close it again. I'm putting, or I already did put my price alerts above and below the range. Now, this is not a good market to trade. Just be patient and wait for it to get triggered. Happy trading!